Welcome to Dunmore Country School channel. Today a little bit on sowing. Sowing is very important to save space. So all the sowings are done in trays like this. The first few days I would use a cloche or cling film, then you don't have to water. As soon as you see the green point, you remove that, and then you end up with seedlings like this or like those. Those seedlings can be then moved into trays. Those are leeks, those are celeriac, and they are slow grower and they're going to stay there for 3 to 4 weeks. Or you can move the small seedlings into plugs. So here I have fast growers like basil on shiso, and I have slow grower. Green peppers, aubergine, they are going to stay there, to grow there for maybe 6 weeks, 8 weeks, quite a long time. When those ones are going to be moved into bigger cells like those, so you can see the cell is much deeper and bigger, and they are going to grow there for 3 to 4 weeks. This is beetroots, kale, lettuce, and then you can plant them out. So this is very important. Start in trays, you save a lot of space, you can have a lot of seedlings, and then plant into plugs, or that's the secret.